YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Markell Simon coming at y'all with another video. 6% gain in a single trade on BNB. Before I get into the trade recap, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, click the first link in the description, join the VIP, come trade with me, come make trading, and learn how to properly execute in the market. Without the proper guidance, will just be liquid. So let's get right into the trade recap. As y'all can see, go ahead and go to my X really quick. If y'all do not follow me on X, make sure y'all go follow me. I just want to showcase to y'all that first off, if you're not in the Discord, join the Discord. As y'all can see, my trade entries and management. I gave this trade set up at 12:58. Move, I define my risk, every out. What it does, my job is to stay disciplined. As y'all can see, this trade set out in advance. 4% to 10%. This is the technical target, which just hit, and now we're showing signs of an accumulation at it. But I just want to showcase to y'all my thought process, how I went about looking for this setup. So basically, I just went on trading view. I went through the pairs, which pairs have the most volume. That popped up. I looked at it. I automatically seen price having a potential at it IPO off on the left that got created on the aggressive expected downside, right? So whenever you have price creating lower highs and lower lows, and they get such aggressive downside, leaving a beautiful POI, essentially expect some type of redistribution coming into that supply POI. And that's exactly what we got. Going to the higher time frame, starting off on the 4 hour. If y'all look at market structure, we're in a downtrend, lower highs, lower lows, and right here, uh, creating a lower high, a higher low, for a higher high, deviating our range high. This one time for my range top to bottom. Up, always pull your range top to bottom, and it just looks more clean. Don't want to pull your range to bottom to top. Good, but it's like what looks more like horizontal price action. Want this price action right here, or do you want to wait this this price action, right? That sideways horizontal price action that you can clearly see consolidation, right? Because ranges is basically price consolidation, right? A certain area for a certain amount of time. So going over this trade recap, go ahead and all of this. I save it. Make sure y'all drop a like on this video and check out my recent videos on my channel. If you want to learn how I trade, about doing the VIP, if you look at my videos, my recent videos, trade that I've given out, I could have netted you probably over 30% in a single month. Solana, pretty sure I had a trade on with. You just have to check out my YouTube channel. That's basically my trading channel. But once I pull my range from top to bottom, looking at the 3 hour or the 4 hour, I pull my range from top to bottom because this was my initial range high. Got two consecutive bearish candles, so this is just one move down. This being my initial range low. After the range, price get our range high, get acceptance back inside of our range. I look, think about, okay, it could potentially be for those distributions at it in the next, right? And then all you have to do is wait for your third tap confirmation. And in this situation, price ended up sweeping the high once more. and coming into the supply POI to the left, which is exactly what you want to see, right? To make this setup a higher probability setup and get this setup a higher chance of playing out. At the same time, coming into that supply POI, really nice sell side liquidity locally, right? Nice return to zone coming all the way into our break structure confirmation. Where it's return to zone, right? So it curves right into that break structure. Top of that, I was looking at my volume profile, and before we got our confirmation, our PLC was down here, the discount section of our range, right? This being our premium, and this section, our discount. And whenever I look for a distribution schematic, I like to have my volume area high, really nice, like the upper section of the premium. Then I like to have my PLC in the upper section. And then I like to have a volume area low. This past experience, it gives the setup higher probability to play out. And it's just a +1, right? So looking at the range, I kept moving my range. Price already had confirmed this model. And when I see this shift in volume, right, I was like, oh, this is perfect. This is exactly what I want to see, right? Experience. I've seen it before. So once you have that experience, it just gives you the extra conviction and confidence in this trade playing out. So in order to confirm this as a model for replay mode, say, the 5 POI, so at your 1, 2, your 3, first tap, second tap, and then your third tap, all you have to do is wait for structure to break. This low, I'm going to get third tap go up. Right? Looking at market structure on the lower time frame, because if you know, to always use 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute market structure, skipping over all these market structures to see of having kind of do it wrong, or we had a high, low, that higher high, right? But once price breaks this low, that's when this model is confirmed. Obviously, see that we got a very aggressive breaking structure back to bearish, very intense. Well, on top of that, we left supply on the move down, and then price came and respected that supply POI, making this an LPSY, even giving us a reconfirmation breaking structure right here, to where you could have entered on this break top above this high, because this is technically part of your white cost schematic, this being your LPSY last point of supply, and then target the technical target of a distribution schematic. So now at this moment in time for my stock, uh, I actually forgot where I entered. I didn't enter right on the breaker structure. So let me see where I entered this trade. So I ended up entering, pull out my position. So I ended up entering, I entered right here. Yeah, I have this demand POI, and I kind of wanted to respect it. I wanted to see price just continue to get the move down. I didn't want it to be a fake break. I ended up entering right here, POI, with my stop above this high, and then I targeted the low. So that's why I entered. But this would have been your best entry right here. Probably entering right there. Top above there would get a 5% gain. Here at the exact confirmation, with top above this LPSY is not part of your schematic. You would have had a potential 11% gain. And y'all know all you need is 10% to pass the breakout account. So this is your breakout account in one single trade, right? On that break, that's the confirmation. But I ended up a little bit lower. And at this moment in time, I believe I created supply above that protected price from coming towards my stop loss, right? Whenever you have price, create supply that protects price from coming to your stop loss. That's always better. You always want to enter trades that allow you to have the highest chance of price going in your favor and your model playing out. So zooming out and allowing price action to play. Y'all can see price came, tapped into that supply that was meant to protect price from coming to my stop loss. Once we get the move down, you can already de-risk your position and trail your stop loss to where you're only risking zero point 0.5 now. So you were risking 100 points, right? 100 points. And then you trail your stop to this high now because if price come back up, more than likely this whole entire model is gonna fail. But when you see price respecting these supply POIs continuing to get the lower highs to the lower lows, disrespecting demand POIs, that's when you have the extra conviction to trail your stop loss and know that, okay, I'm doing the right thing and I know that I'm not moving my stop loss too early. Allowing price to play out. Again, down, had a little validation at this moment in time. I pull my volume profile right here. We had the PLC. All right. So at this moment in time, we had the PLC kind of shift towards this area. And every time I see this, especially with price coming and just having a perfect tap of this low, right? Not sweeping it, but just same low. If you look at up here, looking at the low of this candle is 87. The low of this candle is 87. So seeing that, I said, okay, I'm going to take a partial. I'm going to take 75% because I know that with experience, I've had situations where the PLC shifted. I told myself to take a partial and I didn't, right? Trying to be greedy and not taking profits when the market is giving me the signal to take profit. So this time I said, okay, I'm going to be disciplined. I'm doing the right thing. That's where I'm on. That's what type of timing I'm on. I've developed as a trader. So I took a partial right here, and then price ended up consolidating for a few hours, getting another move down, structure demand down here. I had three bearish candles before the aggressive extension towards the downside, deep inefficiency. I took another partial down here, and then before you know it, ended up getting the technical target of the distribution schematic. Right. So I could have held my entire trade, but I chose to manage my trade properly and just do it in the best way possible. And I fully closed my position right here. And now I'm moving on to the next trade. I'm looking at this as a presentation, as a market making evaluation. If you're watching this video, the potential target is high and higher prices, right? Because of the way we came down the buy side liquidity. But this is just how you can net 6%, 10% in a single trade, trading these high probability setups, right? It has such a nice return to zone locally. That gives you the conviction to take the trade. Prices creating supply to protect price from coming towards your stop loss. Prices respecting these supply POIs, which is basically at LPSY, looking at the Wyckoff method. And they had a smooth rotation towards technical targets. So hopefully y'all enjoyed this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. And if y'all want to learn how I trade, click the first link in the description. Join the VIP. That's the end of the traders recap. Being your boy Markell signing. Make sure you follow me on my socials. Click the link in the description. Tune in, come tap in with me. I'm gonna get with y'all in the next video. But Markell signing.